Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Tourism recovery from Indian market strong but yet to touch 2019 numbers. TAT Delhi Office Director, New Jersey to unveil world's largest temple, Akshardham Temple, on October 8. Indigo launches flights on Delhi-Almaty route. Business travel in APAC forecast to reach $800 billion by 2027. Pilot resignation can't interfere in employment agreement between pilots and Akasa Air, says DGCA to Delhi High Court. Travel companies see government push to draw tourists. Unusual heist. 12.5 crore Indian rupees ancient Buddha statue stolen from US art gallery. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.